White body tiles are dry press tiles with a high water absorption and glazed surface. This means they are only suitable for installation on interior walls. They are manufactured in a wide variety of sizes and finishes with a thickness of 8 mm. They can be installed on any kind of board or base slab in a building, as long as it has the right characteristics. Before starting to lay the wall tile, check that you have all the tools you need for the job. After finishing the check, make sure that the substrate has the following characteristics. It is completely free of grease, oil, and dust. It is dry, and it has no traces of loose particles. You should also check that the surface is flat, stable, and free from cracks, and observe the recommended setting times. Lastly, make sure that it has the required hardness and mechanical resistance for the intended use. GRESPANIA's white body wall tiles can be installed either on an existing wall tile or on a newly laid substrate. To ensure correct installation, there are some common steps to follow in both cases. In general, the use of a C2-type flexible improved cementitious adhesive is recommended for cement-based, stone or plasterboard substrates commonly employed in construction. Apply the adhesive with the back buttering technique, leaving no gaps, first on the underside of the tile, using a 3 mm square notched trowel. Then apply adhesive to the substrate using a 6 to 9 mm notched trowel, taking care to cover the corners and edges and ensuring there are no air pockets between the substrate and the tile. The adhesive should be spread in the same direction on the tile and on the substrate, aligning with the direction of the shorter side of the tile. Once the tiles have been placed on the substrate, ensure complete adhesion without trapped air by tapping the tile with a rubber float, checking for a perfect bond at corners and edges. Then, manually insert the wedges into the clips to level the tiles before the adhesive sets. Once the recommended setting time has finished, carefully remove the clips one by one using pliers. Do not bang the wedges. Finally, grout the joints. To do this, you can use cementitious or epoxy resin products. Check the manufacturer's instructions and observe the recommended wait times. Apply the grout with a hard-edged rubber grout float. Lastly, clean the joints with a damp sponge before the material sets. It's that easy to install GRESPANIA's white body wall tiles. For more detailed information, we recommend you check our installation manual, available on the GRESPANIA website.